Welcome to your Knack dashboard, your home base for everything you're building. This is where you'll manage your apps, tweak settings, and find help when you need it. Let's take a quick tour so you know exactly where to find what you need. The Apps tab is where all your applications live. Think of it as your project gallery. Each app has two important links. The Builder link takes you into development mode where you can create and customize. The Live App link, that's your actual working application, the one you'll share with users. Your live app is always running, updating in real time as you build. Notice those three dots next to each app? Tap them to access settings, copy your live app, or invite other developers to collaborate. Pro tip, if someone shares an app with you to help build, it'll show up under Shared Apps instead of My Apps. Head to Account Settings to manage the basics, update your email, change your organization name, or customize your site URL. That's the first part of your app's web address. Security matters, so let's lock things down. Under Security, you can reset your password anytime, and here's a big one, enable two-factor authentication for your Builder account. This adds an extra layer of protection so only you can access your dashboard and applications. We highly recommend turning this on, especially if you're working with sensitive data. The Plans and Billing section shows your current plan and usage stats. See how many records you're using, how much storage you've consumed, and how many apps you have. During the trial, you can explore up to 3 apps. You'll also find information about API usage and our Flows feature here. When you're ready to scale, you can upgrade right here. We offer plans from Starter all the way up to Enterprise. Need HIPAA compliance or GovCloud? Those specialized plans are available too. Finally, don't miss the Resources section. This is your help hub. Access our Get Started guides, browse help articles, or dive into our knowledge base. Need expert help building your app? Check out our expert directory to hire a Knack specialist who can jump into your project. All these links are available right inside the Builder whenever you need them. That's your dashboard walkthrough. Now you know exactly where to find everything. Ready to start building? Click into any app to open the Builder or create a new one to get started. Happy knacking!